Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to fxace.com for a big welcome to the video. So today's video is your free trade setup for the week ahead. And this video we're just going to go over the setup, the pair we're looking at, and the reasons behind I'm looking to trade this pair. So first off, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, simply hit the subscribe button now, and to stay up to date with all my latest trading videos. So this week we're going to look at the British pound Swiss franc. Okay, it's already triggered for us this morning. We're looking to trade this pair at 122. Let's get rid of all these objects at the minute. Just dealing 122,600. Okay, so it's right at the area I'm looking to trade now, and we're going to discuss the actual setup right this minute. Okay, so longer term, we do expect this to start moving to the upside. Okay, up towards these kind of monthly areas here. But at the minute, we're still in this kind of range down here. Okay, that happened most of last year. So we're still in this range here, and we're right at the top of this range at the minute. And looking at it, okay, the reason looking to take this trade this week, I'm looking at a rejection at these highs here. Okay, last year's high. I think this was last year's high, just double check. No, last year's high was way up here, sorry. So, at the top of this range here, and I'm just looking for a rejection here at these highs at 122,600. Okay, and if we look at the daily charts, we'll just zoom out a little bit. And what we find here, right at that level, is a nice daily zone here. Okay, so I'm looking for a rejection here this week. It's already triggered this morning at 122,600. The reason I'm selling, okay, looking at the lower time frames, the 4-hour charts on the approach to this area, we're not getting any telltale signs of divergence yet. We'll just actually look at the, so I haven't even loaded the indicator to tell me. Let's put that on. Okay. Okay, so last week we did get a 4-hour divergence. So what I'm thinking here, the reason being, I'm just expecting this last pop up to where it is now, test that high, which is just done, and to head back down south, maybe towards the bottom of the channel. We will see. Okay, if it continues to go on, our stop loss is going to be above these highs here. So our stop loss is going to be above this daily zone at 123,700, and our take profit is going to be around 119. Okay, so the setup for the week is, okay, and you'll probably be able to enter this straight after seeing this video, and as always, trade at your own risk. Sell GBPCHF at 122,600, or simply hit manual entry now. Okay, stop loss, again, we want to go above that daily zone, which is at 123. We'll go 800, 120 pips. Okay, and take profit. Okay, 119. Okay, and let's go over that trade again. Okay, so that's the setup. You can pause the video, write that down. Okay, that's the setup for the week, and I'll just again go over the actual position. Okay, we're at this weekly area here, this weekly range. It is a monthly period of accumulation. Longer term, we are likely to head up to the higher time frames, but at the minute, for the next 3 or 4 days this week, I do expect a small rejection at this high here. And if we zoom in, what we actually see here, this is actually a weekly trading area. Okay, on the charts. And I'll explain that now. The reason this is a weekly area, we have this drop, pause, drop, new low. Okay, so the market dropped from this level up here on the weekly charts, took out this low, it paused here, likely pausing at this area here, and then continued to drop down. So this is actually a weekly area, and this is why we're seeing this getting rejected many times here on the weekly charts. And if you zoom in to daily, we actually see a daily right inside that weekly area at these highs. So stop loss is above this weekly area here. Okay, sorry, this daily area at 123,800. Take profit again. I'm liking around this 119 area down here. Okay, down towards the bottom of the range. Okay, we'll see what happens this week. So that's the setup, very basic setup, very easy to follow. We have these divergence signals happening as it's approaching this area. We have this one final divergence, and what I'm looking at price action here is one final push up and then a rejection to the downside. I could be wrong, but looking at it, it does look like a favorable setup for the next 3 or 4 days. Okay, as always, trade at your own risk. We look to enter this, well, you can enter it now, Monday morning, and we want to exit this trade towards the end of the week, either on Thursday or Friday. If you're in good profit, exit towards the end of the week. Okay, so if you want to access our full list of 22 signals plus our bonus daily signals this week, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com, and I shall see you on the next video. Happy trading.